Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We have dz. In here we don't have z. So the integration of dz you got about z. And we put the bounds from negative r to positive r. So we put r gone here and negative r gone here. Because we have negative with negative, we have positive r. R with r we have 2r, so we have 2r to the power of 3. Because r squared with r we have r to the power of 3. So the integration of r to the power of 3 dr in here, we will have about r to the power of 4 over 4. And we put the bounds from 0 to acosθ theta. Number 2 divided by 4, we have 1 over 2. And we have a to the power of 4 cosine theta to the power of 4 in here. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine 2 theta, we can change into cosine 2 theta plus 1 over 2. So this one is about cosine theta to the power of 4. This one is about number 2. That means we will have like this. That is about cosine 2 theta plus 1 to the power of 2 over number 4. Because cosine theta to the power of 4, that is about cosine 2 cosine theta to the power of 2 to the power of 2. That's why we put this one go in here, and we have the power 2 like this. Number 4 and a to the power of 4 we put outside. This one we have cosine 2 theta square plus number 2 cosine 2 theta plus 1, and we have d theta. Next, about this one, we change by this one, and we have cosine 4 theta plus 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2 cosine 4 theta. Number 1 over 2 plus 1, we have 3 over 2 in here. And now we have the final answer. This one we have about 1 over 4 sine 4 theta. The next one, this one we have sine 2 theta. So that's about for this one. This one we have 3 over 2 theta. And we put the bounds from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. So we put this one going here and this one going here. So we have 3b over 8. And we have 3b8 to the power of 4 over 64. That is the end. Thank you for watching.